In the case of Bitcoin, it doesn't have any income, it doesn't have any use, it doesn't have any utility. So what's the value of it based on what? Based on no intrinsic value and purely a speculative bubble. That's why I argue that Bitcoin, like all the other shit coins, are worth zero.
Wow. All right. This just happened. This is a clip from earlier this morning, February 2021, of Chief Economist Nouriel Roubini warning the people that Bitcoin is going to zero and the entire cryptocurrency market is valueless. Now, about 30 seconds in, he almost starts crying. He calls Michael Saylor a cokehead. And if you're asking why, what brought this on? This is a reaction to Tesla's recent purchase of $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin to put on their corporate balance sheet. I am not a registered financial advisor, but let's talk about Bitcoin. Let's talk about a few specific altcoins, as well as the top stories happening in cryptocurrency today. Welcome back, everybody, to Altcoin Daily, where you subscribe because you're interested in making money in cryptocurrency. And through one video a day, we will break down the market. We will keep you informed. My name's Austin. And let's start with some breaking news that Nouriel Roubini won't tell you. Bitcoin continues to hit new all-time highs as BNY Mellon announces crypto custody. So check this out. This is breaking news. Who is BNY Mellon? They are America's oldest bank, and even the chief executive of the bank's asset servicing business says digital assets are becoming part of the mainstream. So this is a big green flag, huge sign of support from traditional finance, and the Bank of New York Mellon, America's oldest bank, has announced plans to hold, transfer, and issue Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as an asset manager on behalf of its clients. Now, maybe when they say issue, they mean stablecoins, but they're telling their clients, hey, if you want to hold cryptocurrency, we'll custody it for you. It's cool with us. The impetus for this decision reportedly came from the demand of institutional investors, in fact, the top brass of BNY Mellon's clientele, amid this 2021 bull season for the asset class. So their institutional clientele demanded it. And why this is significant to you is because, yeah, as the Wall Street Journal notes, BNY Mellon is hardly the first household name in traditional finance to embrace digital assets. The likes of Fidelity Investments have long been in the game, but this is significant because this is the first national custody bank to commit to the introduction of cryptocurrency custody for its clientele in the short term, saying it'll happen later this year. So huge green flag, and yes, this is just one more bank, I should say. The dominoes continue to fall, but to drive this home, the chief executive of BNY is on record saying that he anticipates full incorporation of digital assets into all traditional banking infrastructure in as little time as 3 to 5 years. This market is growing. This market is growing fast. If you have thoughts on this, give me a comment down below, and let's keep moving. If news like that doesn't make you question that, hey, Nouriel may be a little off on this, maybe this will. Next piece of breaking news: Microsoft and Enjin cryptocurrency bring cross-platform custom NFTs to Minecraft. Check out the details. Microsoft has launched a browser game that rewards players with non-fungible tokens, NFTs, for use inside Minecraft, one of the world's most popular games. Interesting. So what's this game called? According to the press release, this is Azure Space Mystery, and it's a text-based interactive and educational puzzle game set aboard the International Space Station. So you can learn as well as earn NFTs, and NFTs acquired by playing the game will allow players to unlock a new quest inside My Metaverse Minecraft server, where users can then spawn Microsoft Azure heroes via the EngineCraft plugin into the popular game. So let me know down below if any of you are Minecraft players, if you'll be trying this, if you'll be attempting to earn NFTs through this, and in a direct quote from Enjin on why they chose to make this educational. Education is key to empowering the next generation of innovators. Enjin is proud to work alongside Microsoft to generate innovative opportunities for merging virtual worlds, bringing digital communities closer together, and celebrating powerful women in science and tech. NFTs are important because they provide irrefutable proof of digital scarcity. With over 126 million users, the ability to spawn blockchain assets inside a Minecraft server is a huge step towards NFT adoption. Interesting. But point is, the world is clearly trending more digital. With Bitcoin, for the first time ever, digital scarcity was created. And definitely as video games continue to get more popular, digital scarcity in video games will be in clear demand in the next 10, 20 years, I believe. So understanding all that, is there anything that would change Nouriel Roubini's mind on Bitcoin, or is he 100% closed off? This was a good question.
Fascinating. Is there anything that could happen that would change your mind about Bitcoin?
So far, no. As I said, it's not a unit of account, it's not a means of payment, it's not a single numeraire, it's not a stable store of value.
I think the lesson here today is do not be a Roubini. And that's not because we can see the panel laughing at him, and it's not because he has a different point of view. That's fine. I like that. It's because he says he is so close-minded on this, nothing will change his mind. You gotta stay open-minded. I do want to give a quick shout out to sponsor of the channel, CryptoTrader.Tax. They automate the whole process. You can get your crypto taxes done in minutes. I know because I used them last year. I'll be using them this year. I did a full walkthrough, which I'll link down below, where you can see if you're using Uniswap or Binance or Coinbase or any exchange, it automates the whole process. And for a limited time only, be sure to use the link/promo code down below and get 20% off only for the Altcoin Daily audience this year. Now, something else I like, every week they will be giving away a free cryptocurrency tax report for the next month. Just enter your email, sign up. I will link this down below in the description. All you have to do is enter and win. So links down below in the description. Check it out. Next piece of news. Some of you have heard this, but Binance last night, the whole exchange was offline. It went out temporarily. And Hayden Adams, the founder of Uniswap, tweeted this in solidarity. Uniswap will be coming back online soon after a temporary outage. Oh wait, never mind, it has never gone offline. Throwing a little shade, CZ of Binance responded, you worry about PancakeSwap, which is the Binance chain's version of Uniswap. They went back and forth. But the point is, BSC has been making news. Binance Smart Chain is starting to rival Ethereum. Here's why. Maybe. It's actually all because of one dApp on BSC. But let me clue you in. In January, according to the data we have from dApp Radar, BSC reached new heights in terms of transaction volumes and unique active wallets. If the trend continues in February, BSC might become the #1 blockchain in terms of transaction volume. In fact, in January, they had over 15 billion in transaction volume for that month. But here's the truth. Binance Smart Chain has all its eggs in one basket. Out of the 66 BSC-based decentralized applications tracked by dApp Radar, it is something called Venus, XVS, is responsible for over 90% of the total transaction volume. So Uniswap does have different chains nipping at its heels. In my opinion, yeah, maybe they'll get a little spillover from people unhappy with the Uniswap fees. But the problem is the ecosystem is on Ethereum. More dApps, better dApps, as of now, in my opinion, are on Ethereum on Uniswap. We'll see. Now, what Binance Smart Chain does have, and what competitors like PancakeSwap do have, they have the largest centralized exchange in the world backing them. So they got that going for them. And while PancakeSwap, another killer dApp on BSC, can't brag about similar performance in terms of transaction volumes, it is ranked second by the total number of daily active wallets, only 12,000 users behind Uniswap. So we'll see. Give me your thoughts down below. And next piece of Vechain news. DeFi/Uniswap version 2 coming to Vechain. So you know Vechain is not on Ethereum. They're their own separate chain. And while in the past we've seen, wrapped BTC. Some people may be thinking, is this close to wrapped VeChain on Ethereum? No, this is the opposite. This is Uniswap/DeFi coming to VeChain. Hey guys, I'm glad to work with Raleigh and contribute to the fork of the Uniswap version 2. We have iterated several versions and the contract code is live on the testnet. Welcome to play with them. Here's the development on the GitHub. So it looks like the developers are forking Uniswap, similar to how Sushi was forked from Uniswap. PancakeSwap, a competitor to Uniswap, they're doing the same thing on VeChain. And I'd say the same thing that we're seeing on Binance Chain. It's going to be better on fees for sure. We'll have to see if the ecosystem builds around it. Thoughts on this? Interesting stuff, for sure, that we're watching happen. And next piece of Chainlink news. ATTN, maybe attention, to integrate Chainlink to empower creation of dynamic NFTs. So first, what is ATTN? ATTN's NFT platform, I think they're also known as Antasy, is the first cross-chain decentralized platform that meets the needs of users wanting to create, deploy, trade, and manage NFT assets. Currently live on the Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Huobi EcoChain mainnets. Antasy enables artists, collectors, and gamers to build and manage NFTs across multiple blockchain environments. So another big player coming into this NFT market. The reason I wanted to bring this to you is because this does, again, help to sort of illustrate why they're choosing Chainlink to integrate with. So this shows the use case of Chainlink as well. The integration will span several functions, including using the Chainlink Verifiable Random Function, VRF, to access a secure on-chain random number generation solution for creating random traits and elements within Antasy platform NFTs and games. So trustless randomness is one big function, and of course, number 2, we plan to integrate the widely used Chainlink price feeds to enable users to set fair market prices for tokens and NFTs exchanged on our cross-chain NFT marketplace. So the infrastructure, the ecosystems in cryptocurrency right now are getting bigger. Okay, that is the video. For those of you who haven't yet, be sure to check out our live stream that we brought to you last night, Amazon launching their own cryptocurrency, and feel free to check out either of these 2 cryptocurrency videos. Great places to continue your crypto education. See you tomorrow.